The action camera world may be on the edge of another major transformation, and much of the buzz right now centers around DJI's rumored Osmo Action 6. Although the company hasn't made anything official yet, a flurry of leaks, early reports, and insider discussions have already given enthusiasts a glimpse into what could be one of the most powerful action cameras ever built. If these leaks prove accurate, the DJI Osmo Action 6 could mark one of the biggest advancements in the category in years. Not just a simple update, but a reimagining of what an action camera can do. With the talk of 8K recording, a full 1-inch sensor, AI-powered stabilization, and major durability improvements, DJI appears to be preparing a camera built to redefine adventure storytelling. This isn't just about recording memories anymore, it's about making them cinematic. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Osmo Action 6 is its major sensor upgrade. The previous Action 5 Pro featured a 1 over 1.3 inch sensor, already impressive for a compact body. But sources suggest DJI is taking a bold leap to a full 1-inch sensor this time. That change may not sound dramatic on paper, but in real-world performance, it's massive. Larger sensors capture more light, producing cleaner, brighter, and more detailed footage, especially in low-light environments where smaller sensors often struggle. Imagine shooting around a campfire at night or capturing glowing city streets after sunset. With the Osmo Action 6, those scenes could look sharp, noise-free, and film-like. For creators, this could finally close the gap between compact action cameras and entry-level cinema cameras. Video capability is another area where DJI seems ready to push the limits. The Osmo Action 6 is rumored to support 8K recording at 30 frames per second, an extraordinary achievement for such a small device. In practical terms, 8K resolution allows creators to crop and reframe footage in post-production without losing detail. That means even if you don't get the perfect framing during a fast-moving moment, you can adjust it later while maintaining crisp cinematic quality. Alongside 8K, DJI reportedly plans to include 5.3K at 60 fps for a balance of smoothness and detail, and 4K at 120 fps for ultra slow motion shots. Think of slowing down a BMX jump or a surfer carving through a wave. With that kind of frame rate and clarity, even short clips could feel like sequences from a professional film. Stabilization has always been the defining feature of a great action camera, and DJI appears ready to raise the bar yet again. The Osmo Action 6 is rumored to introduce Rocksteady 4.0, a new AI-assisted version of the brand's stabilization system. Previous generations like Rocksteady 3.0 already rival GoPro's Hypersmooth, delivering gimbal-like smoothness. But the addition of AI takes things further, promising smarter horizon leveling, faster shake correction, and improved stability even in unpredictable motion. Picture sprinting down a rocky mountain trail or filming from a handheld mount while snowboarding. With older cameras, that footage might be jittery or uneven. With Rocksteady 4.0, the Osmo Action 6 could produce buttery smooth cinematic footage without needing extra gear. That's less bulk, less setup, and more freedom to focus on capturing the moment. Battery life has always been a pain point for action shooters, and DJI seems to be taking this seriously. The Osmo Action 6 is rumored to support two battery options, a standard pack and a high-capacity Pro battery built for extended recording. Reports suggest that the Pro version could deliver over 4 hours of continuous 4K recording, an incredible achievement for an action camera. That kind of endurance could mean shooting an entire hike, road trip, or ride on a single charge, reducing the need for constant battery swaps. For content creators who film long sessions outdoors, this would be a major quality of life improvement. Beyond hardware, DJI appears to be refining workflow experience for creators. The Osmo Action 6 will reportedly include Bluetooth 5.1 and Wi-Fi 6 for faster file transfers, more stable live streaming, and seamless wireless microphone integration. Anyone who's ever transferred 8K footage knows how painfully slow that process can be. But with Wi-Fi 6 speeds, creators could quickly move footage from the camera to their phone or laptop. On top of that, the Osmo Action 6 is rumored to include an upgrade in internal storage, jumping from 32 GB to 47 GB. That extra space might not replace an SD card, but it's a valuable safety net when you are shooting on the go. Every extra gigabyte counts when dealing with massive 8K files. Rumors indicate that DJI plans to release the Osmo Action 6 in two configurations: a standard edition expected to retail between $329 and $429, and an adventure combo priced around $479 to $579. The higher tier bundle is set to include additional batteries, mounting accessories, and gear specifically designed for travelers and extreme sports creators. If these pricing details prove accurate, DJI appears to be strategically positioning the Osmo Action 6 as a powerful yet competitively priced rival to GoPro's Hero series and Insta360's flagship action cameras, offering premium performance without an inflated cost. At its core, the rumored DJI Osmo Action 6 isn't just another camera. It represents a vision for what compact filmmaking could become. It's about transforming fleeting experiences into cinematic memories. Whether you're biking through mountain trails, driving beneath coral reefs, or capturing a sunset road trip, this camera seems designed to bring those moments vividly to life. The real question is, when the Osmo Action 6 finally arrives, will you jump in right away or stick with the tried and true models already on the market? Either way, DJI has already achieved something remarkable. Before it's even launched, the Osmo Action 6 has reignited the excitement and imagination across the creator community. And that might be the clearest sign yet that action cameras are entering a thrilling new era.